Hey, what is up, guys? It's Mal, or Monkey Mal 101 here if you're from the other channel. And today we're going to be doing my first vlog, and it's going to be a prank on my brother and sister. And today I'm also joined by
Avery underscore P. Please follow me on Instagram.
And then
by Ashton, Mal's sister.
No one
just follow me on Instagram at just.ash.25.
No one cares.
Yep, same. Alright, and today, yeah, things are going to be lit. As always, stay tuned, like, subscribe, and comment for more if you want to see more. And yeah, guys, what are we going to be eating?
KFC!
KFC!
Dancing on Just Dance, and we're going to be singing
That
on
Disney thing!
Disney things.
Wow.
Call you dumbass.
Oh my gosh. PG-13. Calm down. Calm down, Avery. Calm down. Alright, guys. So, yeah. Stay tuned. We're about to get it lit. Okay, guys, before we set up the wolf prank, we gotta go help my brother. Shut up. I'm trying to do a commentary and help my brother who's gonna get pranked. What is he carrying? You're carrying... What?
What the frick is that?
What? Why?
Show his face.
That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice.
Don't you want these?
Not yet. Bring that. Alright, but time to eat KFC. Yeah, let's just get right into it. Can't wait. Let's go. Alright, guys. Well, I'm just walking now. Oh, by the way, yeah, to Avery's because I'm spending the night there.
Hi.
She gets to ride a bike while I have to walk. Yeah, so I'll see you guys right there when we get there. I call bullyism. She bullies me.
That's a real thing?
Bullyism. Bullyism 2020 for president. No. Alright, guys. We're here. We're not done yet. We still have a lot to do. Let's get it. Alright, so Avery got to tell us something about the KFC.
I am sorry. We got homemade sauce.
The vlog. The vlog. So, what were you going to tell us?
We have a new surprise. It's called sauce. It is homemade. It is really good, but KFC is also pretty good.
Fun fact. Italians call that stuff this gravy. Gravy. You guys didn't know that, did you? I thought not.
That's weird.
I very thought not. Hey guys, so that meal was great. So what this was turned out to be this now. You could probably find all of the pieces in my stomach. Okay guys, well my sister and brother are gone. We're gonna go find them. Avery's here, so is Ashton.
This random lady.
Alright, so if we don't find them. Okay. Wait, so where is... I wonder where they went, guys. So
Right next door.
alright, so let's go to their house. Your house. Alright, so we're gonna keep walking there, across the street.
Be really boring.
Yeah. So
That's what we are.
we only yeah. So we're gonna keep going. You know, forge ahead. Wait for that prank though, and then when the prank.
Oh yeah, later guys, we're gonna start setting it up.
Yeah.
It'll be like a quick
And then-
process, but like we're gonna start setting it up.
Yeah, and we'll start vlogging the whole process.
Yeah, we'll like plan it all too.
Oh yeah, definitely.
We'll
So
see,
yeah.
like your
Guys, where did they go?
They're either with the Bodie's or freaking your house, okay?
Let's
You
check
think
them
I
out
know?
Why would
first.
they go to Valentine? Why would they go to Valentine? Our family.
Because I need to get stuff.
Who's Valentine?
My.
Oh, our neighbor, right?
Yeah.
Alright. It was no our neighbor. Valentine.
Oh yeah.
You make it seem like we're trying to cover up something like, oh, Valentine. Valentine? Oh, and you hear Avery? Yeah.
I'm so confused. Okay, let's go check on them.
Yeah, let's go see if they're in.
Well, guys, it turns out they're not here. So let's hurry up and get on with it. They're probably our other neighbor, Bodie's.
Feels like a really cute.
Cassidy, what are you doing?
Cassie, what are you doing over there?
Come on.
Where's Isaac?
Where's Isaac?
I think he's upstairs. Dude, I think he went upstairs. We have to go back home.
Oh, man.
Are those my shoes?
Okay, let's go, guys.
Oh still vlogging?
Yeah.
Alright.
I feed her too.
And just so you know, okay, Bodie, we're also kind of like
I know,
conducting the
they'll
prank
hurt,
there
don't
too. Alright.
Oh yeah. So never mind. She's coming. We'll have to talk about the prank in a bit, guys. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll get there. Okay, guys, we don't know where Isaac is. We went searching the neighborhood. Still don't see him.
We're
Avery,
searching again.
Avery, what is your thoughts on this?
Isaac.
Oh my god.
He's with Mom, isn't he? Well,
Mr. Dave!
well then, guys, he went with my mom. Had us looking for hours. Hours.
Cassidy!
Wow.
Guys!
He went with their mom.
Wow, that's messed up.
Yeah, I didn't even know.
Diet Coke or Coca-Cola?
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. Which one does Ashton want?
Ashton, do you want a Coca-Cola or Coke?
Diet Coke.
Or Diet Coke?
Coca-Cola.
Alright, we'll be back, guys. Guys, I'm cracking a cold one with the girls. Open it. Cracking a cold one. Alright, guys.
Go, go, go.
Alright, guys. So, like I promised earlier in the vlog, we're gonna be doing the prank on them. Let's get it, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna hand the camera over to Avery. Let's go. Alright, let's go, dudes. Let's go, let's go.
Yo, Avery, go get him. Go get him.
Alright.
Lead
Wait.
him down this path.
Wait, what are we doing?
So, lead him down this path. Alright, let's go. Go get him.
Alright, guys. Let's do this. Alright, wait. We need to get Cassie. Come on. We're getting Cassie first. Come on, Isaac. Come on, boys.
Quinn, go that way. I'll meet you down there.
No. No, come on, Quinn. No, we're not. No, we're not. I promise. No, we won't. I promise you. We won't ditch you. Pinky swear.
No, like every single time we did.
We won't ditch you. I pinky swear. See? Pinky swear. Pinky swear. Look.
We did pinky swear.
I pinky swear you, so. Where's Cass? I need Cass. Where is she?
She's in the backyard.
Well, she's come on. We need to get them all. No,
You
cool.
guys need to proof thing out of the way.
We are. Cass! Come on, Cass, let's go.
Let's go.
Cass.
I don't know where the hell he is.
Don't worry. He's right outside. Excuse me, Dad.
Go ahead.
Wait, I
Hi,
need
Tracy.
to finish shoes.
Alright. Where are the boys? Isaac, Quinn! They went over here? Come on. Isaac, Quinn, come on! Boys! Boys, come on, we're going to Cassie, then we're going to go down over there to be Ashton. Alright. It's gonna be hard, but let's do it. Cass, come on! What the heck? Are they not like coming or something? Let's go with you.
Can I ride a bike?
Get a bike, come on, I'm fine with it.
Can I ride yours?
Sure. Come on, boys. And Cass. Come on. Ashton's down there. She's waiting for us.
Down where?
Down that path. Follow me.
Oh, that's nice.
Yep, let's go.
What up, YouTubers? This is Isaac102. I was nothing you do. Coming to you back live on 8 p.m. on News Channel. So,
Wait, Isaac, we need to wait for Cassidy. I want to leave her alone.
as you may take a
Come on, Cass.
I may look ugly like a beaver, but like
No one can see you.
you're the one that a beaver loser.
Hey, don't say that to the YouTube fam. Sorry, YouTube fam.
I'm still here.
Yes, he is.
I mean, Isaac has a scooter.
said not to, I guess.
Oh, that sweet light just turned off.
Alright, where's Ashton? Yo, Ashton!
What television? There's a coyote.
Don't worry!
That's Malachi.
Don't worry, Cassie. It is okay. Cassie, no! It's okay, it's okay! It's okay! No! Cassie, get out of the way.
Watch, I'll even go up there.
Cat! Isaac! 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 Come on, get down! You're still a weakling! Quinn!
It's now.
No, it's not, guys! Trust me, it's not! Get the bike and ride down!
There's a coyote.
Just get on the bike, Cassie, and ride down, okay, guys? Right? This is all we need to do, okay? We need to go down.
I see Ashton. It's a bouncing
Well, that's just Ashton. Ashton, come on!
Hey,
Just come on, there's a coyote! Can't you hear him?
Ashton, you goose shake. Here it goes.
You're a nice guy, come on!
Nipple shake. We'll make it milky.
No, we're not! Come on! Yeah!
It's like that.
Come on, guys!
Oh my god.
Come on, you guys! Run! He's coming down right now! Come on, keep going, guys! Keep going!
It's coming. I'm scared.
Go, go! You know when Malachi's scared!
There's more than 2 of them.
That is right behind us. Oh, my arm! My arm! Run, guys, run!
Oh, that's for themselves. Run.
Go, go, go! It's right behind us! It's right behind us!
We gotta run. Hurry up, Cole.
Okay.
Come on.
Guys, guys,
I'll be right back.
Okay,
Avery,
he's checking right now.
don't go far, Avery. Don't go far. Avery? Avery!
Oh my god,
Avery! 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 Avery!
Go back in.
Everyone go back in. Actually, I'll check. Go!
Go back in.
Where's that? Where's Avery? Avery?
Oh my god, get back in.
Get back in. The wolf could be here.
Go back in.
Go back in.
Go.
Go,
Go
go, 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 go.
Go back in, hurry.
Guys, I got video footage. I can go check it.
Avery.
Close the gate.
Stay in here, okay, guys? Stay in here.
Ah! My arm! My arm! Ah! Guys, we're not gonna make it! It was a success. Let's get it. Avery, where are you at?
Avery.
Guys, we did it. Let's get him. I think we got him. Such a success. Let's get it.
Avery, where are you?
Where's Avery?
No, guys, stay in here.
Okay. Guys, I got something to tell you. It's just a prank, bro. Get pranked.
We know.
You guys' reactions are priceless. Alright, guys. I'm gonna end. They don't need to know. Alright, guys. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Have a nice night. If you enjoyed the vlog, smack a like on that, and I will see you in the next vlog. Let's get it, guys. Bye.